In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your GitHub profile private. Whether you're looking to protect your activity logs, contributions, or just prefer a more discreet presence on the platform, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the GitHub dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. It's typically a small circle that might contain your picture, or just a generic avatar if you haven't set one. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll notice several options. What we're interested in here is the Settings option. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a new page where all the magic happens. This page is your Settings Hub, a place where you can customize various aspects of your GitHub experience. Once you're in the settings, take a glance at the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a sidebar filled with options. You need to focus on the section that says Public Profile. Clicking this link will take you to another page where you can adjust how your profile is displayed to the world. Now that you're on the Public Profile page, you should scroll down until you see a section labeled Contributions and Activity. This is the area where you can control what information is visible to others on your profile. Look for the option that says Make Profile Private and Hide Activity. You'll see a checkbox next to it. When you check this box, you're essentially opting to keep your profile and your activity hidden from the public eye. Before you wrap it all up, remember to click Update Preference. This step is crucial because it saves the changes you've just made. Without clicking this button, your settings won't be updated and your profile will remain public. Once you hit that button, you're all set. And there you have it. That's all it takes to make your GitHub profile private. By following these steps, you ensure that your contributions and activity remain confidential, giving you peace of mind. This can be especially useful if you're working on private projects or simply value your privacy. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.